Let's look at how to reduce the liquid glass effect on iPhone. Apple's recent software update saw the introduction of the liquid glass effect on iPhone. Put simply, liquid glass is the new user interface design, which impacts how things appear on iPhone and other Apple devices. The use of translucent backgrounds adds a modern element to the overall experience. However, there are many reports claiming the new appearance is harder to read. Luckily, this can be improved with a small setting change. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app, which you can see on the right-hand side of my screen. Next, scroll down to Display and Brightness. In the middle section, you'll find an option for Liquid Glass. Here we can choose between Clear or Tinted. Clear is the default liquid glass setting with a translucent appearance. By selecting Tinted, your phone will use more solid colors and increases the contrast, improving overall visibility. So, what has actually changed? I'm going to return to the home screen and open up a different app, such as Mail, and then open any on-screen menu. We're currently looking at the tinted liquid glass effect. Comparing that to the clear liquid glass effect, we can see that the tinted option uses a more solid background, allowing less of what's underneath to show through. The changes are subtle, but hopefully enough to improve readability. Let us know if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel, and comment below if there's anything else you'd like us to cover.